Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see FPS Minecraft Java. To start, open Minecraft. Press the escape key to access the menu. Then, click on Options. After that, click on Video Settings. Here you can define the maximum FPS in the line, Max Frame Rate. Click on Done. Now, when you return to the game, press the F3 key to see the FPS of your Minecraft. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.